There is an insect found on cacti called cochineal. If you dry and grind it, then mix it with water, you'll get a natural red dye. In Japan, this insect is now being cultivated specifically for this purpose. When these insects are released onto cacti, their population grows rapidly within a few days. Once they multiply, they are collected and left to dry. After drying, they are ground into a fine powder. This powder is then mixed with water and boiled for a long time until it is completely reduced. Once dried again, it is reground into a fine pigment. To turn this pigment into lipstick, specific essential oils are added, and the mixture is poured into molds, resulting in the final product. Cochineal dye is widely used not just in cosmetics but also in food coloring, especially for products like red candies, yogurts, and even some beverages.